Exciting news for OnePlus 13 users. The latest software update, version CPH 2655-15.0.0.602 EX01, is rolling out, bringing significant camera improvements and enhanced security features. OnePlus is once again focused on refining the rear camera's focusing ability, ensuring faster, more precise shots while also making noticeable refinements to tone and color accuracy when capturing images. This isn't the first time OnePlus has worked on these aspects. The company previously introduced a similar enhancement in January, but this update takes things even further. Apart from camera upgrades, the update also brings general system stability and performance enhancements, though exact details remain undisclosed. More importantly, it comes with a February 2025 security patch, which is critical for protecting your device against the latest cyber threats and vulnerabilities. Initially, the update is rolling out to North American users, as confirmed by Android Central, but it's expected to reach other regions soon. Keeping up with frequent software updates ensures your device stays optimized, secure, and delivers the best possible performance. It's always great to see smartphone brands like OnePlus investing in the smallest details, continuously fine-tune their devices for better user experiences. If you own a OnePlus 13, make sure to check for this update and install it as soon as possible. Not only will your phone's camera performance improve, but your device will also be better protected from online threats. Have you received the update yet? If so, share your experience in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all the latest tech news and updates right here on TechVerse.